कहती है कि इस प्रदेश में मैं कुछ सुरक्षित नहीं हूँ, इसलिए मेरा आप
Sir, I thank you for giving the opportunity, sir. Sir, on behalf of my party, I stand to oppose this legislation because the justification being given for being the legislation is to ensure that more women get elected in the parliament and the state assemblies. If that is the justification, why is that justification not being extended to the OBC women and to the Muslim women, sir? Where the representation in this August House is minimal, very less. Secondly, sir, we know that Muslim women are 7% of the population, but in this Lok Sabha, their representation only 0.7%. We know for a fact that the annual dropout rate of Muslim girls is almost 19%, while it is 12% for other women. Sir, nearly half of the Muslim women are illiterate. This Modi government wants increased representation for Savarna women. They don't want representation for OBC women and for Muslim women, sir. 690 women MPs have been elected till the 17th Lok Sabha, and out of this 690, only 25 have come from the Muslim community. In 57, 62, 91, 99, there has been no Muslim woman got elected. May I tell you, sir, and bring to notice of the August House, that this number has never gone beyond four members. And when I hear that no reservation cannot be given on religious grounds, what is 1950 presidential order? It is a deceive. You are deceiving the Muslim community by denying them this quota in this women reservation, sir. Muslim women face double bind discrimination against being as a woman and as a Muslim also, sir. This government does not want to live in a world where marginalized people get substantial representation. You want a parliament which consists of only bade log. You don't want people from chote log to enter in this August House, sir. This bill will deny fair share to OBCs. This bill will close the doors for the Muslim representation in the parliament and in the assembly, sir. We know for a fact, sir, with the rise of Hindu majoritarian nationalism and the formation of Hindu vote bank by BJP, the Muslim representation has gone down. It will go down further. Is this good for our country, the political isolation of Muslims? Is this good for our country? No, it is not at all good. Is this an inclusive legislation? No, it is an exclusive legislation for those people who are already represented in the August House, sir. May I bring to your notice, sir, this selective affirmation is an election stunt. And may I know that the Prime Minister is OBC. You have only 120 OBC MPs in the August House. You have 232 upper caste MPs. The Prime Minister says I am an OBC, but you are not looking after your own OBCs, sir. And sir, this is a love for OBCs. 22% only OBCs in August House, sir. The government talks about Vandana. What sort of Vandana is this when Bilqis Bano rapists are released? You talk about Vandana when female workforce participation declined from 30 to 19%. What sort of Vandana is this when 63 million women are missing and disappeared? What sort of Vandana is this, sir, when 2017-22, 22 million women dropped out from workforce, leaving only 9% eligible population employed or looking for for jobs, sir. And this bill is what? This is a woman deception bill. This is a check bounce bill. This is an anti-OBC and Muslim women bill. This is a distraction bill. This is not an inclusive bill. This is an exclusive bill. And may I conclude by saying, sir, that the minorities, the Jain community, no woman MP has entered from Jain community. Can Amit Shah stand up and say, why is there a no Jain MP? Can Gujarat people stand up and say, from 1984, not a single Muslim MP has got elected from Gujarat? And in conclusion, I would say, I would blame Sardar Patel and Nehru for deceiving the minorities in the Constituent Assembly. Had they been honest, the Muslim representation would have been higher over here. That is why I oppose this bill. Thank you, sir.
Yes. Nehru and that names. Yes. It will be in removed. It will be in removed. That name is removed in the record. Yes. So that will be expunged.
Sir, Adhyaksha.
Already expunged. Chair has given direction to expunge.
Speaker, sir.
No, chair has already given direction to expunge the
list.
Please sit down.
Majlis Party ने हैदराबाद में लोकल बॉडी इलेक्शंस में रिजर्वेशन
चिराग पासवान जी
मजलिस पार्टी खिलाफ किया है।
Honorable member Shri Chirag Paswan ji.
मजलिस फट
Please sit down, please sit down. Please sit down. Nothing going on record. Nothing going on record except Chirag Paswan. Nothing going on record except Chirag Paswan. Nothing going on record except Chirag Paswan. Chirag Paswan ji. Chirag Paswan ji, please.
Thank you so much, Speaker, sir.
Please. Please. Abhi.
Thank you,
Chirag
sir,
ji.
for giving me this opportunity.